By now, you've probably heard of the platform called AIOP, or All-in-One Profits. It's a way you can build websites, host an autoresponder. You can build squeeze pages. Today's video, we're going to talk about building a squeeze page. Here's one of the squeeze pages I built on this platform. It's very simple. It looks kind of complicated when you first start, but it's not. It's kind of like a step-by-step system. So without further ado, let me show you what to do. So you get to the splash page builder page in your membership site. Real easy to get to. I can show you how if you wish, but for sake of time, let's not. What I'm going to do is enter a splash page. So I'm going to build a squeeze page. So we'll just call it squeeze. You know, it's kind of limited on the characters. So hit that, and I want to choose a template, so I can use a you know, a quick one. I can put a video. I can put a, now they're not going to look like this, obviously, you know, because you see what mine looks like. It doesn't look anything like that. It just puts everything in the proper format. So that's the one with a picture. You can use HTML if you want, but this is the one I like with the picture squeeze page. So anytime you make any type of change on here, you need to update or save. So I'm going to update the template, and this is showing my current one. So what I want to do is I want to edit it, and I want, like I said, okay, like my title, let's just call it, it's going to be for my 7 offline ways to promote your online business. Alright, so description, offline ways to promote your type too fast, I guess. Keywords, online advertising. We could put more if you want to. You can change your background color settings. You can scroll it. There's several things you can do, but like I said, every time I make a change, I like to come down here to update the settings because it saves it. If I were to swap screens, I can come back and it would be gone. So there it is right there. So background, I want to change my background picture, and I already uploaded some pictures already. Very easy to do. Come up here where it says your uploaded pictures and select it. I like this money background, so I'm going to use this. Now within the software itself, it tells you what size you can do, and I have another program where I do these and put them in the right size. Alright, there is the background. I want to update it. It's probably updated already, but I want to make sure I do. Go back to editing my page. Alright, where are we at with it now? There's my background. Also down at the very bottom, you can actually, well, when you start building, you'll be able to see it. So I want to come up here. Also, another really cool thing about it is your template here. This right here shows your header picture, your HTML autoresponder code, and it tells you exactly where each one of these goes. So we're going to be working on what's called the header 1 picture. So I want to find the header 1 picture, change picture, and I have uploaded already. So I want to go to my uploaded picture, select. This is my head. There on the software, when I first did this, it told me I needed a 750 by 300 picture, and this is the one I'm going to use. Update the picture, and go back to editing my page. Next thing I want to do is put in the either the picture itself or the header 2 picture. Let's see what's next. Okay, there's my header 1 area picture. That's the picture itself, and I want to use my uploaded portion, 800 by 800, and update, and go back to editing, Now I want to put my lower picture, or header 2 picture. Header 1, area 1, header 2 picture. Change it. I want to use something I already uploaded. I uploaded to save time. Of course, I already built this page. And this is my header 2 picture. Update. And I want to get to where you can actually see it. Let's see here. Back to edit. And I always like to update. Okay. Here it is. Down below, you can start seeing it. This is what it's actually going to look like. So I have everything but the autoresponder code. So I want to go back to all-in-one profits, and I'll show you. I want to go to where it says autoresponders, and I have the autoresponder already set up. Now you look here, this is the active campaign. Mentor Max, that's the active campaign. That's not the one I want. The one I want is a 7 ways ebook. So I go over here, hit go, and it says 7 ways ebook. So that's the one I want. Under prospects, HTML code, very simple. Come down, choose the one you want. This is the one I like right here. Except I don't like sign up now. So what I want to do is I want to click on it. Go and hit Control F, and I want to find where it says sign up. Partially off screen, so you may not see it. Okay, there where it says sign up. I want to change that to what did I have over here? Free ebook. Okay, I want to change that to free ebook, and it just changes it in the code. So I want to select it. I want to right click, copy it, and come back to my splash builder where the code is, paste it in there, and I want to update my settings. And I want to go down and take a look at it. There, it looks pretty good, so it's actually done. So let me go back to where it says splash pages, number 4. Let me grab that URL, open link in new tab. Where'd it go? Well, I'll tell you what, let me just open a new tab and put it in there so you can see what it looks like. What did that do? Oh, no, it did. Okay. Go back to the builder. I put open a new tab and copy it. So I'm going to copy it and come back over here. Well, go this way, paste and go. And there you have it. Now you can take that this border out. Let's see. Go back to the edit portion, and there's some border color, no border. So let me go back to it, update settings. Go back to my splash pages, copy the URL, paste it in there, and well, I got to get rid of that border there, but you see what it's like. You can play with it, and once you get that border off of there, you're gonna have a very nice looking professionally done site. Actually, I like this one better than the original. I may just keep this one. So anyway, hope this has helped you. If you would like to learn more about all-in-one profits, or AIOP, if you look down the description, there's my marketing funnel there. Just go through it and you'll see what it's like. You'll be able to have this same marketing funnel. There are share codes that that our leader, he has all the time. He updates constantly. He has several pages that you can use to promote. Very simple. He's got a step-by-step video that you go through, and also we don't leave you hanging. So if you want to market it, we have a team marketing site that's chock full of ways that you can market your business. Anyway, if you have any questions, just reach out to me on Facebook, or my name is Alton Pooser, Pooser, and thanks for listening. Have a great day.